Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play an online friendly in FC26 against a friend. Alright, let's begin. To start, make sure you have a PlayStation Plus subscription if you're playing on PlayStation. This is required to play online. First, go to the Online Friendly option in FC26. Here you'll see a list of your friends who also own the game. Select the friend you want to play with and send an invite. You can adjust the match settings before sending the invite, including match length and club selection. Your friend will then receive a notification. On PlayStation, they need to press the PlayStation button between the joysticks, go to Notifications, and accept the invite. Once accepted, both players need to choose the club they want to play with. After confirming with the X button, the game will load and your friendly match will begin. You can now enjoy a match against your friend with all the rules and settings you selected. So that's basically how you can play an online friendly in FC26 against a friend. That's it for this video. Thanks!